right, so now we're here at Forus. We've arrived at Blue Logic. Now we're going to go inside and meet them. I'm sure they are excited to know why we're here. So let's go, let's see what they say. All right, so this is the innovation. What are we looking at? What is this?
Okay, this is a docking station. So it's a universal docking station for drones to actually land and charge. That's what it is. So we've been working very heavily with Equinor, very heavily with Saab, Saipem, and Oceaneering in developing this together with them. So this open innovation makes it possible for any drone to come offshore and do survey and intervention. And this inductive connection makes it possible to connect something subsea without mechanical or electrical contact. This inductive technology and this flat surface can actually facilitate the upload and download of mission data very efficiently.
So this could really be a game changer in the whole industry.
Yes, not only locally here, we are actually taking this technology internationally. So small Blue Logic is actually defining how the future is going to be. And that's quite cool.
It's really cool. This is just, it's amazing. And it's such a good example of how technology developed for the oil and gas industry can also be used in other kinds of industries, like you mentioned, wind or maybe even aquaculture. I mean, there's so many different ways to use this technology. It's obvious why you deserve this award. It's a pleasure to be here. It's so fun. I think I would really like to just read the jury's words on why you deserve this really prestigious award. So it's my honor to say that the jury's, the decision of the ONS 2020 Innovation Award jury is that Blue Logic's technology is innovative and future-oriented and can be an enabler for more underwater operations, both in traditional offshore energy industries and in future ocean industries. It will enable improved reliability and regularity in subsea systems, save costs, and lower emissions of greenhouse gases. Moreover, it will improve safety and working conditions for personnel. Standardizing the docking stations will also spur innovation and competition more broadly in the AUV markets. Thus, it is well aligned with our industry's digital aspirations. So, the jury finds Blue Logic's Universal Subsea Docking Station a worthy winner of this year's ONS SME Innovation Award. And let me just say, I really agree with that decision. So, it's my honor. It's a little heavy, but I think I can manage. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Yay!
Thank you very much for the award. First of all, we are proud to be nominated, and not at least that we win. What we have done is a result of open innovation, resulting in an open standard subsea docking station, and many contributors have participated with specifications, requirements, and inputs. And many companies and individuals have participated in discussions to make the result as universal as possible. Equinor in particular have been central in driving this work for a long time. Olav Bruseth and Jan Christian Torvestad have been important to this work. Blue Logic, with its skilled and innovative people and employees, has realized the specifications through this development, engineering, and fabrication towards a result that we hope and believe will be useful for a number of subsea applications. So thank you very much for the award. Thanks to the jury, thanks to ONS, and thank you to everyone that has helped us to win and achieve this. This is an award to an entire industry that continuously works to increase personal safety during subsea operations and to reduce the carbon footprint. Thank you very much.